Some organs, so referred to as bowels and viscera. So play a central role in TCM. Ito po yung sangfa, no? Mga partner organs niya. So, sa wood, start po tayo sa wood, si liver po yan. And then, sa fire, ang kanyang emotion is anger. Yung kanina pong na-discuss natin. Then sa fire, ang kanyang organ ay si heart. Then emotion is joy. Sa earth, si spleen ang kanyang organ. Then ang kanyang emotion is anxiety. Then si metal, lungs ang kanyang organ, grief ang kanyang emotion. Then si water, si kidney ang kanyang organ, so fear ang kanyang emotion. Ito pong stung organs na to, dapat po yung nagno-nourish. So pag ganun po yung direction, yung blue nakita po ninyo, nourishing po yan, or mother and son relationship, or Sheng cycle, yung iba pa pong term. Yan. So, si water, nourish niya si wood. Para mabuhay, kailangan may tubig. Si wood. Yan, didiligan mo. Si wood, nagiging fire. Kasi pag sinunog mo. Si fire, pag sinunog mo si wood, nagkakaroon ng abu. Yun po yung si earth. Then si earth, pag tumatagal po, nagkakaroon siya ng yung tumitigas na, nagiging metal. So, yun po yung relationship, Then, some organs. Understanding is based on physiology and pathology of inner organs. So, most important system for differentiation and treatment of disease and TCM. So, Churian system of Sangfu organ in TCM is based on functional ideas and contrast to Western medicine. So, function po pag sa TCM, kasi pag sa Western, structurally. So, structure. So, some organ, the inner landscape of our body. Picture. So, function of various organ in Western medicine and Chinese medicine overlap in some areas but have significant difference in other areas. So, ito po yun, yung mga drawing natin. Okay. Stand and reciprocal relationship to each other and must be viewed in the interplay with each other. Ito pong cycle na to, ay nasa gitna po ang spleen stomach. Yan. Kasi ito po yung pinanggagalingan ng ating blood eh. Siya yung lahat ng, diyan ang gagaling yung energy natin, yung blood. Pag kumain tayo, pumunta mo na kay spleen stomach. Then siya ang nagno-nourish sa lahat ng organ. Okay, cosmological cycle po yun. Okay. Main function of Sangfu organ is to assimilate and transform energies of earth, food, and of heaven, air. So, ay makikita po lahat natin yung mga yung mga drawings. So, bawat isa pong organ ay may mga iba-ibang function upang tayo ay manatiling malusog. Okay. So, sang organ produce and store the substances. Ito pong mga sang. Siya po yung nag-store ng mga substance na kailangan ng ating katawan. Yung four organs naman po, decompose food and conveys waste. So, yung mga hindi na natin kailangan, yung mga four organs naman na nag-excrete. Ayan. Siya pong taga-excrete. So, it might be helpful to forget everything we have ever learned about the human body and its organ in order to appreciate the ideas of TCM. So, para may overview po tayo, yun yung gawain ng mga organ sa TCM. Okay. So, bones, brains, ears are assigned to kidney. So, tandaan po natin pag related po sa bones, ang problem ng ating pasyente, brain and ears, siya po ay under ni kidney. Si kidney ang ating ititreat pag nakita natin yun. Therefore, osteoporosis can be malfunction of kidneys. Kidneys stand in close contact with lungs. Consequently, asthma can have its cause in lungs as well as in kidneys. Kasi may relationship sila po dun sa cycle kanina, di ba na pinakita natin, Sheng cycle, si lung and kidney, Sheng cycle, mother and son relationship. Pwedeng nagkakaroon siya ng asthma dahil mahina ang kanyang kidney. Kaya kahit tinitreat mo yung lungs, kung hindi mo pinapalakas yung kidney, hindi mawawala yung kanyang asthma. Some organs in their pattern shape the personality and the structure of a human being in a fascinating way. Yan, malaki po yung role, yung pagkatao natin sa ating mga internal organ. Kasi ina-affect nito yung mismong behavior ng tao. Tingnan po natin sa ating mga next na pag-aaral. Makikita natin anong effect. Okay. Thank you po.